Hi everyone, this is my week 8 discussion. I want to reflect on what separates the genus Homo from the earlier hominians, from how Homo sapiens stand out from other human species, and what existence of multiple types of humans means for our understanding of evolution and image of God. I also summarize 3 examples from the article: significant testimonies, scientific testimonies for human uniqueness, and connect everything to the quote, how we came to does not determine what kind of thing we are. When we look at genus Homo, we see several important traits that make this group stand apart. These early humans had significant large brains, especially in the areas related to planning, problem solving, and memory. Created more advanced tools, not just using objects they found, but shaping tools intentionally for hunting, cutting, and building. Their bodies changed as well. They developed longer legs, shorter arms, and more upright postures that allowed them to travel long distances. These changes opened the door for more complex social behaviors, shared living, and beginning of culture. But Homo sapiens take these traits more further. Humans show level of symbolic thinking that no other homo does. We create art, music, religion, storytelling, tradition. We speak in fully structured language with grammar, metaphor, and abstract ideas, and we form large cooperative groups and build cultures that continue to evolve over generations. An ability to think symbolically and shape meanings truly set in humans apart. The existence of the human species like Neanderthal, Denisovans, and Homo erectus tell us something important about our history. Evolution wasn't a single straight line leading directly to us. It was a branching path with multiple kinds of human developing at different times and sometimes living alongside each other. For Christians, this doesn't take away from the idea that humans are made in an image of God. In fact, it can deepen the understanding, and many people believe the image Dei is connected less to physical form, more unique human abilities or moral awarenesses or capacity for relationships, creativity, spirituality, or love. These qualities are what gives humans identity, purpose, not just biological process produced us. The article Scientific Testimonies for Human Uniqueness highlights several examples of what makes humans distinct, and 3 stood out to me. One is human language. Unlike other animals, humans communicate through symbols, grammar, storytelling, and abstract ideas. Language shapes our relationship, perseveres our history, and allows culture to grow. Another example is moral awareness. Humans think about right and wrong, justice, empathy, and responsibility. We build moral systems, reflect on choices, and hold accountability in ways no other species does. And third is symbolic creativity. Art, music, rituals, religion, expressions. These aren't just extra features or being human. They're essential to how we search for purpose, meaning, connections. These examples resonated with me because they show how human uniqueness goes far beyond biological traits. It is expressed in inner lives and relationship and our desire for meaning. All of the connections well to the quote, how we came to be does not determine the kind of thing we are. This idea reminds us of identity isn't just defined as process of creation. Even if humans emerged through gradual, eventual steps, that doesn't change the kind of beings ultimately we become. Our value, purpose, and uniqueness came from capacities we have. Our ability, reason to love, create, to form moral judgment, and to connect with God and with each other. This perspective helps us see humans as part of creation and unique within it. We share physical traits, other animals, but also possesses quality and point to something deeper. In the end, understanding human evolution, human uniqueness, and the imago Dei doesn't need to be conflict. Instead, they can work together to help us appreciate who we are. We are biological creatures with long history, but we are also beings capable of meaning, morality, spiritual, and creativity. Those qualities shape what it truly means to be human. Thanks for listening.